This Minneapolis office building is not a home.
Ooh.
But inside,
One of the weird shaped ones.
little comforts await women needing to be comforted.
It's all painful.
Nicole Peter is one of those women.
I lost my children to child protection about 5 years ago. I was a meth addict and actually addicted to a lot of different drugs.
She says she's been sober now for 4 years, but has not recovered from losing her children.
Like, since my kids have been gone, I think they have forgotten me. I think they've completely forgotten me. Yeah.
Because right now it's still very raw again.
Which is why Nicole comes to this support group.
How long ago did you lose
Alongside other women who have had their parental rights terminated.
in July?
They leave that final court proceeding without any support around their grief and loss.
Jenny Eldridge is the executive director of Bellis, the nonprofit behind the support group.
I think their grief is uniquely stigmatized. You know, they offer each other this acceptance that you can't get anywhere else. I think it's, even though if they're not parenting, they're moms.
The worst question in the world, are you a mom?
Yeah.
Led by a social worker, the women share and support, no shame.
That was like the last thing I had, you know, with my kids was sending birthday cards. So now I don't have that.
And it feels like you have nothing.
Choices they regret have left them without the family they envisioned.
There's one more cookie for whoever wants it.
But at least they've found a place where their unique grief has a home.
Is it good? Yeah?
So the director at Bellis, which is the company that the nonprofit rather, that puts on that support group, told me that a common theme among many of the women who come to that support group is addiction, that's something they're recovering from. We do, by the way, have links to more information about those support groups along with a story up at KARE11.com.
Yeah, glad to hear they're getting, help with their addictions, but yeah, not being with your child, that's got to be
It's
tough.
a tough subject,
Yeah, thanks for shedding light on that, Jim. Now let's get